Hi there! Possibly you saw in a previous video when I built this thing here, the RMS Titanic by Cheatwell Games. Now in this video, I'm going to be featuring another model by Cheatwell Games, and it's this one, the Flying Scotsman. Now it says on the box that it should take roughly 4 hours to build, but I managed to do it in just under 2. Let's see how it got on. So this is the box itself, which tells us that the model is made from 168 pieces. In case you were wondering about its size, it measures 61 centimeters in length when finished, so it'll take up a fair chunk of desk space. There's an information brochure inside the box with lots of interesting information about the Flying Scotsman, as well as building instructions. The 168 pieces are all numbered and the instructions make it clear which piece goes where. As I said before, I built the model in just under 2 hours, which is pretty quick given that the box says it should take 4 hours. Having said that, you've probably realised that this footage has been sped up. Only slightly though. Like a lot of people with an interest in STEM, I love model building, and the Flying Scotsman 3D puzzle was great fun to put together. You'll not need any special tools or glue, but I did find it easier to push some holes through using a screwdriver. Once the Flying Scotsman's built, it's onto the base, then the track which the train sits on top of. So, if you've got a few hours spare and are looking for a fun build, why not give the Flying Scotsman 3D model puzzle a go?